I had a chance to get Pokemon cards from a seller on Facebook. So here's the package. I bought 2 cards from the shop. It took a while for me to have this. Medyo nainis na ako. Kasi I have to wait for 7 days. First on the list is this card that is rare to find right now. I believe it is from Silver Tempest. So I got this unknown card, Unown V. Look at the details, it's so cute. I remember when I was playing Pokemon Game Boy, I thought I had to complete all the letters. Then, last but not the least, is I obtained this piece of card that will form a puzzle to complete a set. You have idea about this card? I'm just getting it. I must get it using sticky note so that the card will not be damaged. Come on. Or the classic tapping. It's so hard to get, I don't know why. Oh, because it has 2 sleeves. It has 2 sleeves. The first sleeve is in perfect sleeve, and then the Terpago sleeve from Stellar Crown. So this is just an illustration rare from Paradox Rift. And this is the card. Medyo nakaligit na siya sa... I think I have to cut the sleeve. Hindi kasi yung sleeve makapal. Grabe yung seller. Ayan pa pa. There. Is it in perfect shape? Okay, the card is in perfect condition. And this is the card. The Minun card. Wait. I bought this Minun card. And I have pulled this Plusly card. Look how cute the card is. Ano ba to? Is it this way? Yan. Diba? It is a puzzle wherein the owners are the back. Then the Pokemon are Plusly and Minun. Buo ko na. So, yun lang.